What's up folks, my name is Felix, welcome back to a new video. Today we are going to talk about KOII Network, a new DePin project which builds its own layer 1 through a global network of computers. And if you're bullish on, for example, projects like HiveMapper, like Demo, or like Grass, which all fall under the DePin narrative, so decentralized physical infrastructure, partially also in combination with AI, then KOII Network is definitely something for you. I want to show you today how you can set up your own node to participate in the incentivized testnet here, and also how you can maybe get your hands on some additional tokens through their sale on Coinless. So first things I wanted to show you, we are sitting currently at roughly 18,000 nodes. And compared to the numbers of Grass, which also took a while before they exploded, we are very early here in this case, and the incentivized testnet offers 2% of the overall supply, which will currently be distributed just among those roughly 18,000 users. And that's why I also downloaded the software 2 to 3 days ago and also started accumulating testnet KOII tokens here. The team behind it is around for quite some time. I heard that they are in the space since 2017 and 2018, and now their whole product comes to fruition. And what they are building here basically is a layer 1, a fork of Solana. So they are building their own DePin blockchain, if you want to call it this way. We already see bigger influencers following them, for example, Virtual Bacon, which you probably have heard of. And if we take a look at the founder's profile here on Twitter, this guy is pretty active and always posts very interesting stuff. You can, for example, see the recent statistics of their node growth. This has of course to do with the incentivized testnet now, but is still very much under the radar and no one is literally talking about it yet. And what he's also saying here, if we scroll a little bit down, mobile nodes coming soon for KOII Network. And we all know how bullish that is, because in those third world countries, way more people are just using their mobile phones. And once those mobile nodes are available, I think we can expect to see this graph even more vertical, but more about that in a future update video then. What's also interesting is the Coinless Sale here, which will happen after the incentivized testnet takes place. Again, you can get now your hands on 2% of the overall token supply. And how they call KOII Network here in this case, they say it's the fastest blockchain dedicated to AI and DePin. So two very big narratives for the current bull run. And those 2% will be an overall supply of 200 million tokens. And if we scroll all the way down, the only thing we have to do here, we just need to download the software. It's very easy. You don't need any coding skills. I will show you that in a few moments. Then you need to get some testnet tokens from their faucet, and then you can just select some tasks, run the software in the background and accumulate tokens through it. This whole incentivized testnet will run until the 27th of February. You will get a welcome bonus of 10 KOII tokens, but not everyone is eligible, to mention that here as well. So if you live in the US, in Canada, it's not possible for you to run those nodes. So what you want to do to participate here is very simple. You just come back to the homepage, then you click on the top right corner on join the network, and then you want to download the software. You can choose from Windows, Mac and Linux. And once you did that, you just open up an account and then come over to the faucet where you just connect your Discord, your email, your GitHub account, as well as your Twitter account. And then you can additional insert a referral code, because this gives you additional KOII tokens. Here in my case, I got all in all 21 KOII tokens. I think that's the maximum you can get if you insert the referral code. And then you can already start running the software by just executing the file you downloaded before. And once you did that, you should see this dashboard here. You should, of course, don't have any tasks on here. That's why the first thing you want to do is you want to come to add tasks. So you just click on here, and then you should soon see all the available tasks which you can run. Those are, for example, the ones I could now choose from. Then you have to stake some tokens in here to keep those tasks running. And then you will accumulate rewards over here, which you could then claim and send them over to your available balance. And maybe if you want, you can open up an additional wallet, which is called the Finny wallet. You can find that by just clicking on that symbol down here and then click on get the Finny wallet and then send your tokens over to this wallet address. And that's basically already it. So you just run those tasks in the background while your computer, your laptop is on. You can of course also do that by running a VPS if you don't want to run it on your own PC because you have wallets on there. That's of course completely up to you. I'm currently still figuring out which of those tasks is the most profitable one to accumulate as much KOII tokens as possible until this incentivized testnet is over. So let's see how this develops over the upcoming 10 days until the Incentivized Testnet campaign is over. I will of course keep you updated here on this channel if there are any big announcements or changes or whatever you want to know about. And if you don't want to miss that, obviously you just want to subscribe to this channel. If you like today's overview, would be great if you hit the like button, and then we'll meet in my next video. See you then.